Hi everyone, today I have salmon pinwheels for you. You can leave it as a dip and serve with crackers, or you can use floured shells and roll them into pinwheels with softened cream cheese and thus chives sprinkled across the top for extra flavor. So, if you want to know how to make these, keep watching. Okay, here are the ingredients for salmon pinwheels. Now I've got flour tortillas, and if you haven't checked out my teriyaki salmon recipe, you might want to check that out. This is the leftover salmon that I cooked for it. I'm going to use that. You can use canned salmon, or you can get smoked salmon, or you can just buy regular salmon that's already been cooked and use it. You need some Worcestershire sauce, and I'm going to use chives, dried onion powder, dill weed, which is dill. Believe it or not, the store did not have any fresh dill or chives. So I'm going with garlic paste because I don't want the garlic flavor to be too strong since these are not cooked. You need 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. You need a lemon. You need a little bit of sour cream. I'm going to use a little bit of Old Bay. These come together in no time. You put them in the fridge, let them get cool, and then slice them. Now, if you want to do this, use it as a salmon dip. Excellent for parties. You just put it in a bowl, add some crackers, but I'm having some people over and I think this is neater than having a salmon dip because you got to put the crackers on there, put a little spoon there and scoop them on. And these you can just pick them up and bite them and they're delicious. So I'm going to get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay, we're going to start with the room temperature cream cheese. I'm going to put that in there. And lemon, I'm just going to use a squirt of lemon, fresh lemon, goes great with salmon. Some cream cheese left in there, trying to get that out. And then I'm going to use a squirt of garlic paste because I don't want the raw garlic flavor in here because it's not going to be cooked. And then I'm going to go with some Old Bay. And I'm going to use just a teaspoon of Old Bay. And then I'm going to use approximately a tablespoon of chives. That's my onion flavor because I don't want raw onion in here either since this isn't being cooked. I think I'm going to go with 2. I like onions. And then you want to use some dill. Dill is very common with salmon. So I'm going to go with about a tablespoon of dill. And then a little more extra flavor for onion powder. Just going to put, this is really just a teaspoon of onion powder since I have the chives. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. That's 1. Mr. Worcestershire sauce. And that's 2. Oop, dropped my fork. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, I don't know if I forgot to mention, you need some sour cream. I'm just going to use like a little dollop of sour cream in this. So I'm going to mix this up and get this all mixed together. You want this pretty smooth. I'm not putting the salmon in just yet because I don't want it to be all just disintegrated. I want you to have nice salmon chunk bites when you eat this. Try and get this well mixed. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, my website is up. I have a renewed website, JenniferMalloryRecipes.com. Please check it out. It went live on Friday, and all my recipes are on there. For those of you who like my quick, fast, easy meals for people who don't want to cook, don't like to cook, don't have time to cook. Okay, I'll scrape that. I'm going to add my salmon. And this makes probably 2 or 3 pinwheel rolls. Those that know me, welcome back. You guys know I upload 2 videos a week. Always include an inspirational quote, tell a controversial joke. I love my pinwheels, always have, any kind. They are perfect for any holiday or entertaining occasion, in my opinion. One of the first things I go for. And I try to remove all the skin off the salmon also. Okay, now it's time to assemble our pinwheels. And remember, the sour cream adds a little tang to it, which I think is nice. You can also do Dijon mustard, which I normally do. But as usual, you know, your girl Jen got another sad story. I was out of Dijon, so that's okay. This is still good. You want to taste it, but check it for salt and pepper. Smooth this out pretty good. And you should get 3 pinwheels with this recipe, unless you do like me and overfill them. Okay, then you want to start to roll them. You want to roll them pretty tight. Okay, there's one. Here's the second one. Okay, so I got 2. And this is how much is left, so I'll just use that with some crackers for myself. Now you want to wrap these in saran wrap or foil, airtight, and put them in the refrigerator for at least an hour. It makes them very much easier to cut because the cream cheese is at room temperature. They'll be near impossible to cut where they look nice. Okay, there you have it. Check you guys back tomorrow. Okay, here are my salmon pinwheels. Just took them out of the refrigerator. My get-together is today, so they sat in the fridge for 24 hours. I'm going to show you. Usually I always cut off the little tip that makes them look good, and they call this the chef's bite. So you want to cut them in approximately 1-inch slices. I'm using a serrated knife. And I wanted to do pinwheels for my party, like I said, because the dip, you need a bowl, you need crackers, and you need the spoon to scoop some onto it. And this way, I just like having a bunch of finger foods that you can put on your plate and pick up and take a bite. So I'm gonna get these cut. And I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and share. And definitely check out my website. I believe it's Jennifer Mallory, BSRNMSNrecipes.com. I had to have it revised, so that's why I'm not sure on the title of the website. But it does go up tomorrow, Friday, August 14th, 2026. So I'm really excited about it. We'll keep that one for the chef. Oh, you always put a wet cloth under the cutting board. That's a little tip for you. That'll keep your cutting board from moving and slipping and sliding while you're using it, especially if you're using a sharp knife. So I'm getting everything set up, and I'm going to tell you guys my joke. Salmon Pinwheels, perfect for any party occasion. Okay guys, let me tell you my joke. A man and his girlfriend died in a car accident and go to heaven. They meet St. Peter at the pearly gates, and Peter says, "Welcome to heaven. Any questions?" To which the man replies, "Yeah, my girlfriend and I never had a chance to get married while we were alive. Can we get married in heaven?" Peter says, "Good question. I'll be back in a jiffy." He left the pearly gates, and the couple began to talk about love and how long eternity is. It turns out a jiffy is 6 weeks, and 6 weeks later, Peter turns up and goes, "Okay, I found your answer, finally. Yes, you can get married in heaven, so come right in and enjoy eternity together." The couple responds by saying, "Well, we have another question. Eternity is a very long time, and we're not sure if our relationship will last. If things don't work out, can we get divorced in heaven?" To which Peter replies, "Jesus Christ, it took me 6 weeks to get a priest up here. Do you have any idea how long it's going to take me to find a lawyer?" I hit the floor on this one. That's pretty sick, especially being Catholic. Thought it was kind of funny. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I love pinwheels. I've got several pinwheel videos on my channel. You might want to check them out. But this is a salmon dip pinwheel. So it's my salmon dip recipe, but I just turned them into pinwheels because, like I said, I was entertaining and I didn't want to have to do a bowl and crackers on a little spoon. And this is a lot neater. You can just pick them up, take a couple bites, and you're done on a napkin. So anyway, please like, subscribe, hit that like button, and share. More importantly, comment, good, bad, or ugly. I really respect you guys' opinion and your time watching my videos, and I respond to each and every comment, no matter how long it takes me. So anyway, love you guys. I hope you guys have a great evening and give this recipe a try. Like I said, I'm a pinwheel queen, and I think you'll really like this, even as a dip. So once again, have a good evening. God bless you and your family always, and I hope to see you on the next one.